Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see that is, see, we are using Postman, right, to test the APIs and all. Okay, here I have opened, you can see here I have opened a Postman. Okay, this Postman we use to test the API before we use that in any application. We first test in API in Postman, so we'll get whether there are any errors or not. Okay, so suppose if you are developing any big project, then there will be a lots of API will be there, right? Okay, so if consider if you have one collection of that APIs, okay, for login one, for register, for forget password, logout, sign up, profile, whatever, all APIs will be there, right? So suppose if you have that, if you have collection of that, then it will be easy to you guys, right, to test the APIs, or you will be having already data input and response will be there, so easily you can test. Otherwise what will happen, some people don't know, okay, so how to create the collections and all. What they will do, they will suppose, see here I have I'm testing here store API. Okay, so whenever I will do here store, it will store this data in database. Okay, suppose if you want to log in, what we will do, here only will change what login. Okay, here only will change and we'll write here name and username and password will put and will do login. Okay, and suppose after 15 days or 10 days if you are coming here, you will not get which API it is, right? You will not get which API it is, because you have not given any name to that or any heading to that. So you will forget that all the things, like before 10 days and after 10 days you will, because we are human beings, will forget. So I'll tell you how we can do the collection of APIs, and whenever we require that time we can fetch that and we can easily test that. Okay, so for that what we need to do, you can see here there is a collection. Okay, one folder is that is collection. Here you can see there is a new collection. Okay, new collection, you can create here one more new collection. Suppose if you are doing on one project, if you are doing any project, okay, so give name for that, sorry, so give one name for that project. So we'll see here whether it will take rename or not. Okay, so edit new collection, okay, what we'll do is, see here we need to do what, add request. Fine, here you can give, you can do rename. Like suppose if I am doing login API, I'll put login API. Okay, this is login API. So for login there will be a get, so you can go here also, you can go here also, and you can change here also that login API. Okay, and you can save, so it is saved. Suppose if you want to do register API or sign up APIs, just click here, duplicate that, you will get a duplicate copy. Just go here and type here what I will write, sign up API. Okay, and for that it will be a post, so I will save, and we can type here one URL for this. For right now what I will do, I will copy one URL. Okay, and I will write here, this is for what, this is for login. Done. Okay, and one more I will write, this is for sign up. Okay, okay, so you can see like this I have created one for login, one for sign up, like that you can create more, like click here, create duplicate, give here name, you can give here name like profile API, update profile API. Okay, so if you have the collection of APIs, so it will be easy, right? Suppose if I want login API for this project, then I will go here and I will test, I will put here username and password and directly I will save and I will get. If you want sign up, will get every time, there is no need to edit and all. Okay, so this is the use of collection. Okay, this is the use of collection in Postman, we can say. Okay, and you can go here, we'll see for new what will happen. Okay, for new it will take new. Okay, and if you go in new collection, it will create a collection. From here also we can create. See here we can change the name of collection. We'll see what I was on to name is okay, registration. We are doing one application like student registration. Okay, so like that I have given name. We'll see. Okay, see it is saved now. Yes, so here you can create the APIs. Okay, right click, add request, right here. Okay, right here store API. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है ना? And you can see here you can create folder also, add folder. In that you can add one more folder. So like this, see it is very easy, right? Here also, see here if you click here and here also you can change the name. Like I will take CoTap, like BAP. So what will happen, it will be very easy. If you are coming after 10 days or 20 days also, if you come to this Postman, you will get easily the collection of all APIs. See, this is for registration APIs and this is for CoTap APIs, this is for something different. So like this you can make use of this collection. So I'll tell you, so I think this is the best use in Postman which we can use, and we can make our work very easily. Okay, and thank you so much everyone. And I'm getting comment like do videos in Hindi also, so I will do that also. Same video will come in Hindi also. Okay, so stay tuned to our channel only, and thank you so much everyone. Thank you.